In this video, I will demonstrate the process of utilizing the color wheel. To begin, please click on the subthemes. Let's change the color style. Here you can select any color style you like. This feature allows you to determine the application of colors in various areas. In a monocolor scheme, a single color is applied throughout the template. For a bicolor scheme, 2 colors are used across the entire template. Additionally, multiple variations of both the monocolor and bicolor schemes are available. After selecting a color scheme, you have the option to choose a color palette from our predefined selections. If you remain unsatisfied, you can utilize our color wheel feature to discover your ideal color. Choose a type of color wheel and start adjusting it. The colors will automatically harmonize as you move the wheel. Colors defined using the color wheel will override those specified in subtheme palette. You can also add custom hex code to further personalize your colors.